In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with Quick Parts. Now, Quick Parts inserts pre-formatted text, auto text, document properties, and fields anywhere in the document. Quick Parts are similar to templates. Where a template is the whole document, a Quick Part is part of the document. Now, I've opened up a new blank Word document. And in it, I typed a heading for my Udemy class. I'm going to use this heading to create a new Quick Part. If you click on the Insert tab and the Quick Parts drop arrow, you'll see that there are 3 different types of Quick Parts that we can create. This one is an auto text, which is content that I create and then I save to the auto text gallery. Here's how you do it. You create your content, you highlight it, click Quick Parts, click Auto Text, and choose Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. That opens up the Create New Building Block window. In this window, you've got to do 2 things. You've got to name the building block and choose a place for it. So I'm going to name this Udemy heading. And the gallery I'm going to put it in is going to be the auto text gallery. Now, galleries are just different categories for Quick Parts or building blocks. They include things like cover pages, headers, footers, and so on. Once you've given your Quick Part a name and chosen a place, you can click OK. And it's now saved in the building blocks organizer. So now I can open a new document and I can use that Quick Part that I created. So if I go to Insert, Quick Parts, and Building Blocks Organizer, I can search through the galleries, and I remember I used the Auto Text Gallery, and I named it Udemy Heading. So I'm going to select that, gives me a little preview, and I'm going to click Insert. And there it is. Now I'm going to delete that and show you the next Quick Part. If I click the Quick Parts drop arrow, the next one is called a document property. This tool allows you to access document property fields and insert them into the document. Document properties are also known as metadata. And this is details about the file that describe it or identify it. So from my document property list, I'll insert the author. So when I do that, it gives me the little author tag and it gives my name because in the document properties, I'm listed as the author. Now, if I want to change that, I could click on the File tab and choose Info. And then I can access my document properties right over here on the right. If I click the drop arrow and choose Advanced Properties, that opens up this window and I can enter data or change existing data. So I'm going to add my middle name to the author name. And I'll hit OK. And then if I go back to my document, I can see my field updated with the new information. So I'm going to delete this and show you the next tool. If I click on the Quick Parts drop arrow, I can enter a field. Now, the categories of fields are many. So you can choose what you'd like, or you can search through all of them in this field name window. Now, I think of fields as a placeholder for information that might change at some point. So if I were writing a document and I wanted to insert the author's name, I could just put it in. I can choose the format. Let's put it in all uppercase. and I'll hit OK. Okay, and there it is. So that's just a placeholder for my data. And then the last thing I want to review with you is the building blocks organizer itself. We looked at that briefly when we used the auto text entry that I made, but I just want to show you, if you scroll down, there's a bunch of stuff in the building blocks organizer. And like I said earlier, a building block or a quick part is part of a document. And those parts are listed under the gallery column. So we have bibliographies, and you get a little preview, cover pages, equations, and many more. So use quick parts to create and save parts of a document that you frequently use.